How to manage importance markers on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the importance markers on your Gmail. So all what you have to do is go to Gmail. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on this settings option. Now click on see all settings. Now all what you have to do is go to the inbox, scroll down until you find importance markers. Now right here you can manage your markers easy and fast. As you can see, you can manage everything you want here, and after you finish, click on save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.